In this video, let's talk about the most common revenue strategies from plugins, and we're going to just discuss what's the most effective and what's the most widely used.
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
The most common strategy is called Freemium. It's basically an online strategy where you give something away for free in order to get a lot of traffic, and then you make something premium inside the product. The reason it works online so well is because digital products are free to give away. So it's a combination of free and premium at the same time. And giving it away for free just allows people to try it out for free because they don't know if they want to pay for it just yet. So it gives them a chance to sample what the product is. And people ask, well, what about paid plugins? Can I just make my plugin paid from the get-go? And this is possible, but it's very rare. An example of this is something that OptimizePress does, and you can check them out at optimizepress.com and see how they do it. They're basically a plugin that helps to make like good landing pages, good sales pages. So it's very helpful, but they are known and they have a reputation. If you have a new plugin, it's not easy to get people to try it or take an interest in the plugin. So Freemium is probably ideal. And let's go over some of the common upsells. The premium in the freemium, the upsells. Well, often people want support. If you can offer extra levels of support, that's something that people might pay for if they struggle with solving the problem they need to solve and the plugin by itself is not enough, perhaps. And this is a beginning of the agency side of your business because sure, they can use the product, and sure, you offer a little support, but for extra support, you can just sell consulting services. So you can have a strong service part to this business along with the software. And they usually go hand in hand. Another thing you can try to upsell is, tiers or volume. For example, super users might pay more, or people who use your plugin in multiple sites or many times a day, or your plugin has to do a lot of actual work, then they have to pay a little more. But basic users can get it for less. It just depends on what your plugin is, but the super users are the ones you'd ask to pay a little bit. And of course, in addition to upselling the services, which we already discussed, you can sell information products. For example, if your plugin is something that helps with affiliate marketing, well, then you can sell some affiliate marketing information products, tutorials, little ebooks, so that people can get more up to speed with what they're doing and how to even make your plugin that much more effective for them. So these are the common ways to make money from plugins. And of course, they're predicated on that you have users and that they like your plugin and they're using it actively. So before asking about how to make money, important questions are, well, how do you make a fantastic plugin and how do you promote it and get people to engage regularly? And of course, we covered that in other parts of the course, but those will be higher priority questions than the revenue.